doubt if they can be found.
Yeah, no, they're usually down that where we came from.
Yeah.
I usually see, the last time we came, both when going to Nimba and going back, we saw them around there.
It's most probably where all the people chuck their rubbish after coming over the bridge.
Oh, great.